Hey guys, it is Thursday here in West Virginia, and today we're going to do something a little different. We're doing a 3 for Thursday because when I went to Walmart today, I found the Auto Drivers Release 111, and the complete four-car set was there. I only grabbed three of them though because I can't just I just don't dig that new, well, it's not new, that 60s Corvette race car. I know it has some heritage behind it and stuff like that, and it's not a bad replica at all. It's just not my taste, so I didn't pick it up. But besides that one, this driver series is actually my favorite style, where they're all bone stock cars with like the original ad displayed as the backdrop on the card, which is really cool and such. I was going to wait until tomorrow to do it, but 3 for Thursday sounds better than free at Friday. And also, I'm kind of still anticipating my Hot Wheels Mischief, not Wheels, JDM style beater car getting here. It actually was supposed to arrive today through FedEx and it didn't. Still have some time, but the last checkpoint was in PA and we're in West Virginia, so I don't think it's coming today. I hope it gets here tomorrow. It was due to be delivered today, but I know sometimes some packages get left behind or don't get scanned or something like that. I just hope they haven't lost it, because I've heard a couple other people complain about damaged packages. I haven't heard of anybody complaining that FedEx lost any of theirs, but I have heard complaints about damaged goods. But USPS was notoriously known for doing that too. So, yeah, I can say that FedEx does pick up packages much sooner than the USPS does, because I remember when Mattel Creations would make a tag for my car and have it boxed ready to go, and USPS didn't pick it up for like a week. And then with FedEx, it seems like as soon as they make the tag, they pick it up that same day. I don't know whose fault that was, if it was USPS or Mattel. Probably a little of both. But anyways, guys, we have the big three automakers in this lineup. We have Chevy, Ford, and Dodge. And it's pretty much all along the same year, too. Two 1969s and one 1970. So we're going to go ahead and get you Ford guys out of the way. And there it is. This new 1970 Ford Mustang Grabber. And we're going to go ahead and raise this up a little bit so you can see the whole card. As you can see, that looks really cool. Ford Blue Oval Mustang Grabber. And it says, grab the special version of America's #1 sporty car. And that is the original ad for it. And you can see down there, there's a couple pics of a Grabber blue. I think that's what they called that blue. And then I think it's a yellow. No, it's a red. I'm sorry. Just the way the light was hitting it. And then on the back, it just tells you a little bit about it. It's a whole new turned-on Mustang game. Special Grabber package gives you extras like wild sea stripe and blacked-out paint design, dual racing mirrors, a 302 V8, street grabbing, wide oval white sidewalls, and more. Looks tough, easy to take, especially at our special package price. Grab yours now in hot Grabber orange, Grabber blue, Grabber green, vermilion, or bright yellow. Okay, so all of them are called Grabber. All the colors, almost. So anyways, this is a very cool casting. I think, in my opinion, just like their Dodge Dart, and this is the first time I've opened these, so we're just kind of getting these off the card for you. Trying not to tear it up too bad, because I plan on parting with these after the video. But I do want to unbox them and take a look at them. See, these, in my opinion, look so much better when they don't have the opening pieces. I know the body lines, like the door gaps and stuff, isn't really defined very well on this one, but it looks better than having really huge gaps, sagging doors and stuff like that, unless it's a like barn find like their Boss car here from, I think this is Auto Projects release too, but you can see all the door gaps and stuff. Actually, the door gaps on this one line up pretty nice. Yeah, actually, they're really, really nice compared to a lot of the newer releases. But anyways, this is still yet my favorite series by M2. I know it's cheaper because it's got the plastic base, but it still has rubber tires, but no opening hood or opening doors. The hood does have it cut out, meaning it is a separate piece, but it is screwed down. But anyways, and then this is probably one thing to say. Once before I was saying it is a little bit big for a 70 Mustang. 70 Mustangs are big, but bigger than, like, say, the 67 68s. The 69 70 Mustang was a little bit bigger, but I don't think as how it appears in, like, my dioramas. So this may have been one that was made and that was a little bit too big, like their new Dart. But this is a really nice looking car. Detailed taillights with the red lenses. And your Mustang cap back there. Detailed window trim, door handles, door locks and such. Your marker lights. Nice grille detail with the pony in the center. So let's go to our next one, and that is going to be the bow tie exclusive. This is your 1969 Chevrolet Camaro RS, and it has the original ad in the background. This was a black and white ad, it looks like. And then on the back side, it doesn't really give you any story at all. Just somebody looking at the front of it. I guess they're digging the hideaway headlights or something. And then you have the RS identification on the grille, the RS emblem. And then it has the model name on the quarter panel and such. So just showing you the certain options it had, which came first, glasses or headlamp covers. Haha. So I guess that's why the guys there or girls there with the sunglasses on. So let's go ahead and get this guy off this card and take a look at him. I'm not going to unscrew these from the base because, as I said, the bases are plastic and they're just as detailed as the metal bases, but really that's all black, so nothing stands out. But it looks good. They use the semi-gloss paint on the top. I don't know if they are trying to replicate a painted roof or vinyl top. But yeah, it looks good. Spoiler delete, I guess I would call it. I'm not sure if the RS package had a spoiler automatically or if it had to be special ordered. This one, however, does not have one. Has nice taillight detail, your rear bumper and such, and it is nice. As you can see, that's one thing about the RSs. They also had the backup lights in the rear valence in all the years 67 through 69. Nice Chevy Rally rims. Nice detail everywhere. The grill's nicely done. In my opinion, M2 has the nicest 69 Camaro when it comes to, like, the scale, the body lines, proportions. Everything is very nicely done. The one from Green Light, in my opinion, is horrible. I like Green Light 67 and 68, but their 69 just looks funky because they modified the 67, 68 Camaro body to look like a 69. That's why the wheel openings look really weird on the Green Light, and the body looks so thick because they shouldn't have done that. But anyways, the M2 one, however, is perfect, and that's just my opinion. Could have chose a better color on this instead of this, like, gold tinted green. I don't know how to call it. It's like a pea green or something, but still yet a very nice car. Now, this one I already had picked up a couple weeks ago. I have one hanging on my wall, actually, and had one put away. But I ended up selling it because I was going to open one and have one hanging on the wall, and then I kind of regretted selling it. So I got another one to unbox for you guys, and I may hang on to this one to put on my dart hauler. But this thing looks beautiful, black with the red tail stripe and the red interior. All it needs is a set of red line tires. I don't know why they didn't do that. And the swinger ad is really cool with the Scat Pack B Dart Swinger 340, sorry. And it says play your cards right, and 3 bills can put you in a whole lot of car this year. Yeah, $3,000 these were, wow. Dart Swinger 340, newest member of the Dodge Scat Pack. You don't make it on looks alone. 340 cubes of high winding 4-barrel V8, 4-speed Hurst on the floor to keep the things moving. All the other credentials are in order. Just check below, then check with your Dodge dealer, especially about the price. Standard Dart 340 or Swinger 340 equipment, and it kind of already told us about that. And then on the back, it just has a picture of the Scat Pack B, and it says Dodge Scat Pack, the cars with the bumblebee stripes. Pretty cool. So this one we're going to go ahead and rip open and get it off of the card. And as I said, this one may be a keeper to put in my hauler, because I couldn't open the other one. I wanted to keep it sealed. So yeah, this is a great looking car. One guy in our Mopar 164 group on Facebook, he opened his and put a set of red lines on it. It looks like it's got a little place in the door there, maybe. Nothing, a little fine point Sharpie will not touch up. But yeah, it looks great. Unfortunately, the car is a little bit too big for 1/64th, but it does look great on its own in the package or in a separate diorama with bigger scale cars. Really cool looking piece. Nicely detailed grille. Nice detail with the tail lights and everything. Very nice car. And it is one of the nicest darts when it comes to detail, but it is just a tad bit too big. If you want one that's true to scale, the Johnny Lightning 68, 69 dart is perfect. And the looks, details, everything's great. Now, their 70 to 72 is not so great. But if you want one of those, Outer World makes a fantastic looking one. But yeah, Johnny does have a nice 67 to 69. I can't really put all those in the picture because I got all my beaters up here in the yard. So anyways, guys, that's it for our 3 for Thursday. And maybe we'll be back tomorrow with the Hot Wheels Mischief collab beater. Just depends. I'm not sure if they're going to deliver it tomorrow or not. It was supposed to be here today. We'll see what happens. So turn on your notification bell so you know if we launch anything else. Thanks for watching.